Let's talk about AI prompts. If your prompts look like a short essay, you're not just getting results that are all over the place, you're basically using a process that's designed to fail. So today, we're going to fix that.
Take a look at this. I mean, it sounds descriptive, right? It's got all these cool sounding words. But for an AI model, this is really just a jumble of suggestions, not actual instructions. It doesn't have the specific, structured information that the AI needs to stop guessing and start creating.
Okay, let's just get right into it. A prompt like this wastes more credits than any other single mistake you can make. Why? Because it's vague. The AI is forced to just gamble on what you might want, and that leads to inconsistent results, endless rerolls, and a real, measurable cost every single time you have to hit generate again.
And this isn't just about feeling frustrated as a creative. We're going to move past that and talk about the tangible price you pay for what is essentially prompt gambling. Let's break down what that randomness is actually costing you.
So, to really get this, we need to understand a little concept called the iteration factor. It sounds kind of technical, but it's super simple. It's just the number of times you have to try before you get one single usable asset. Professionals almost never get that perfect shot on the first go. Realistically, for high-quality work, you're looking at an iteration factor of 3, 4, even 5.
Now, what's really fascinating here is how that cost just multiplies. Let's say a single video generation costs 70 cents. Your first attempt, unusable. Your second, third, and fourth, all unusable. So by the time you finally land on a version you can actually use, that cost is multiplied by 5. Which means the real cost of your one usable video clip isn't 70 cents, it's $3.50. And all of a sudden, that abstract idea of wasted credits becomes a very, very concrete number. This is pretty much the hidden tax you pay for a bad prompt.
So how do we get out of this cycle? We have to stop gambling and start creating intentionally. The solution is a structured method that I like to call the orchestration framework. So the most important point is this: clarity removes randomness. By giving the AI a clear, structured blueprint, instead of just a vague wish, you totally eliminate the guesswork. You take back control over what you're making.
And this is that blueprint. It's a really simple 4-part checklist. Number 1, subject and action. 2, scene and mood. 3, camera and lighting. And number 4, style and constraints. And hey, you don't even have to fill in every single one of these every single time, but just thinking in these categories, it forces you to be clear.
Okay, that's enough theory. Let's actually see this framework in action. I want to show you the direct impact of using this structure with a really clear before and after comparison.
And this just perfectly illustrates the difference. On the left, we've got our original essay prompt. On the right, the orchestrated version. We've defined every key element: the subject, what she's doing, the exact camera angle, all the little details that give the AI a clear target instead of just a vague suggestion.
The result from that first vague prompt is, well, it's exactly what you'd expect. It's kind of generic, the focus isn't quite there, and it's just not right. It captures a vibe, sure, but it's not a usable professional asset. This is a failed attempt, a wasted credit.
But now, look at the result we got from the structured prompt. It's a stunning, high-quality visual that absolutely nails every single detail we specified. The low-angle tracking shot, that mysterious mood, the reflections on the wet pavement, it's all right there. This is the payoff. This is a first-try success.
Okay, so we've fixed the prompt, but that's really only half the battle. Now let's build on that with a much smarter workflow, one that respects your time and your credits. This should be your new default.
The logic here is really simple. We all know generating video is expensive, and iterating on video, that's slow and even more expensive. So the solution is to finalize your entire aesthetic using cheap, fast image generations first. You lock in the perfect look for pennies before you even think about committing dollars to the video render.
And here's how you can do it today. Step 1. Test your orchestrated prompt with a fast image model. Step 2. Select the absolute best image that comes out to use as a direct reference. Step 3. Now you generate your video, but you do it from that image. The AI isn't guessing anymore. It has the perfect visual target. And step 4 is just a final upscale. It's efficient, it's cost-effective, and it's so much more predictable.
So there you have it, a structured formula to get all the randomness out of your prompts and an image-first pipeline to save your credits. You now have the tools to create with intention. So the only question is, which part of your workflow are you going to fix first?